Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Nissan Navara RX dual cab ute, stock reference number 4892. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the right hand headlight, radiator grille painted black where the black paint is peeling, left hand headlight. It's got a Xbox type steel bull bar supplied with all bolts and brackets, a set of 16-inch aftermarket Sunraysia rims with good tyres on all, factory fitted 3-ton rated tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right front door has 2 small dents and a right manual door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, central lock button type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, manual gear shifter, 6-speed heated controls, instrument cluster, and a right hand sun visor. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.